Today I'm going to show you how to elevate a basic grid wainscoting into a more sophisticated and polished look with this Cove molding. We're going to start with our bottom piece. We've got our square measurements. They're all a little off. Nothing's perfectly square. So we're going to start with our bottom piece. You're going to lay it. See how the angle lines up with where the blade's going to come down? You're not going to lay it like this or like this or like this. You're going to lay it on its flat side with a concave towards your fence. You're going to cut your first angle. And you're going to swing your blade to your left 45. You're going to line up the same way on the flat bottom with the concave against your fence. You've got your mark. You're going to cut on the outside of that mark. Now we're going to leave our saw on the left 45. We're going to do the right side of the square. So you're going to flip your piece of wood over. See how this angle lines up? You're going to have the concave facing you with the flat edge against your fence, and you're going to cut that side first. Then you're going to swing your 45 to the right. And when you have your 45 on the right, your wood should be on the right-hand side, and you're cutting on the outside of your mark. As you go, you can lay your pieces on the floor to make sure that they're matching up properly and you're not getting angled cuts incorrectly. Now we're doing the top piece. So you're going to swing your 45 to the left. Lay your piece so the concave is facing towards you on the left-hand side and make your first cut. Then you're going to swing it to the right again. Place your wood on the right-hand side. Make your cut on the outer edge of your mark. We're going to do the last side, the left here. Swing it to the left. Put your wood on the left-hand side of your saw. Make your first cut. Swing your saw to the right. You're going to line up your mark again, cut on the inside of your mark so that the piece you're cutting is on your right. And now you've made your square and you're ready to install. Place the pieces inside of my larger square. We'll nail them in, we'll caulk it up. Now make sure to mark all of your pieces because, for instance, if I thought that this piece was the top and I tried to put it on the top, I would say, why did my cuts not work properly, right? But when you put it on the bottom where it's marked, then they line up the way they're supposed to.